Hey, Wallet Hubbers! Today we'll talk about using a secured credit card with a $200 limit. We'll start with the basics. $200 is a common minimum deposit for secured cards, and the amount of your deposit on a secured credit card typically acts as your credit limit. So a secured card with a $200 limit is pretty standard. The best way to use one is to make a few small purchases each month and pay off the balance by the due date. This will help you avoid interest charges as well as add positive information to your credit reports, which will help your credit score. Small purchases are important because so-called credit utilization is a key component of your score, and it's best to use less than 30% of your card's credit limit. Unfortunately, that means maintaining a monthly statement balance of less than $60 on a secured card with a $200 limit. But you could always pay your bill multiple times per month to bring the balance on your statement to that optimal level. You should see gradual credit score improvement if you use your secured card strategically and manage the rest of your finances responsibly. You'll also get that $200 deposit back when you bring your balance to zero and close your account or receive an upgrade offer. If you're in the market for a secured credit card, you can check out our picks for the best offers right now by clicking the button right here.